This video will show you how to pair the pagers and how to turn off the pager beep. Now let's test. We can input 88 and we'll pick up the pager. Press call. Now the pager number is 88. We'll put it back. If we want to pair the pages, we have to disconnect the power and connect the power. And in 20 seconds, we press P999 and press call. We have to do this very fast. And the page numbers will disappear and they will show like this. Now they are in pairing program. And we can input a new number like 11. And we press call. See, now all the page numbers will be 11. Now if we pick up a pager, and this pager number will be 11. And then if we pick up another pager, this pager number will be 11 too. Now we can pair the pager to another number like 10. Still press 10. And we press call. See, now all the pagers are number 10 now. If we want to pair this pager, we pick up this pager. If we want to pair this pager, we pick up this pager. We pick it up. See, it's number 10 now. Now we can pair another pager like number 9. And we press call. Still, all the pager numbers are number 9 now. It beeps. It's number 9. And we press 8, press call. It beeps. It's number 9. Press 7, press call. We pick up the pager. It's number 7. Now let's test. We have to go back. And it will show C. And we'll press 7, press call, it's number 7, we put it back, press 8, press call, number 8, press number 10, press call, number 8, number 10, we press 9, press call, number 9, and we'll press 11. Press call, number 11. This number 11 too. Okay, go back. Now we turn off the pager beep. If we want to turn off the pager beep, we press this button. And we'll press 999. And the pagers must be in the charger. And we press call. All the pager beeps. Now we test. Go back. 11. Press call. See, now the pager can only shake and flash, no beep. We put it back. If we want the pager to beep again, still we press this button, press 000, and we press call. All the pagers beep. Now we test, we go back, 11, pick out the pager, press call. So now the pager can beep, shake, and flash. It's in normal state. So we press this button, we press 999, we press call. We can turn off all the pagers beep.